Hello guys, good evening. We will be discussing today how to start VoIP wholesale business in 2017. We will explain the latest and the greatest way to get jump started immediately and save a lot of time and money. So first of all, what is VoIP wholesale? In simple words, you buy from seller at price and sell to a buyer at a higher price. Let's say the buyer is a call center and the seller is Telecom Italia in this case, and you're buying Italy mobiles at 10 cents and selling it to the call center at 10 cents plus 4%, so let's say 10.04. Your margin is 4%, that's the profit you will be making. Usual needed items for starting a wholesale business: a Softswitch, equipment, billing system, all of that is pretty much covered by a Softswitch. A company, a registered company somewhere around the world. It could be an offshore company, it could be whatever entity somewhere. Some capital to start buying and selling, let's say $2,000 for example. Some workforce that will be handling tasks such as rate, upload, routing, billing, invoicing, etc. The usual needed items also are you need to have customers. So you need to either be selling to calling card providers, ITSPs, call centers, SIP trunking providers, and you also need to have sellers. You must have sellers in order to route the customer calls to that carrier or to that seller. So for Softswitch equipment, I will be demonstrating a product here real quick, which is very low price to start with. You can get up and running with everything you need in no time. So Cloud Softswitch is a cloud-based Class 4 and Class 5 Softswitch. It covers all the tools you need to get started with your wholesale business, like routing, billing, rating, and everything else you need to start aggregating. You can start for less than $500 a month and then immediately provision your sellers and buyers and start aggregating and making money. So let's say you got a Softswitch up and running. Now you don't have sellers or buyers, you don't know who to buy from, you don't know who to sell to, and you need to start finding those customers and vendors to start aggregating. So here we will be talking about TelecomsXChange, which is an open trading platform for buyers and sellers. You can get a membership for like $50 a month, and once you have the membership, you can start finding sellers and buyers through the same platform and basically provisioning those, setting those up on your Softswitch, on your cloud Softswitch that you previously rented, and then you can purchase from over 300 carriers and other stuff that we'll be talking about in the next slide. So TelecomsXChange allows you to find buyers, find sellers, buy and sell securely, so your funds or your financial transactions are secured by TelecomsXChange. Nobody's going to run away with your money, as TelecomsXChange guarantees that you get paid. There is many buyers and sellers in one place that you can either communicate with. You can buy, sell, and even find out more business intelligent data like the quality statistics per vendor or per seller, and you can send instant messages to buyers and the sellers through the same platform openly without any hidden information. The cool thing here is that TelecomsXChange does not commission on the minutes, so you are starting out with zero commission on the minutes. You just pay the $50 a month of subscription billing and you're good to go. This saves you years in time it takes to interconnect with carriers, because let's say if you want to interconnect with a single tier 1 carrier like Tata Communications or iBases, you probably need 6 months of paperwork, a big prepayment, guarantees to make sure that, and that's one single interconnection. In TelecomsXChange, you have 300 of those immediately that you can start routing traffic to after you top up your balance. So this saves significant amount of time and money to get started. So TelecomsXChange today has over 300 members that you can deal with. That's enough minutes and business. We were talking about like at least 75 million minutes a month that goes through the platform that you can benefit from. It provides the fastest payout in the industry. So whenever you need your money as a seller, you can just go and request it and it's immediately wired. Again, no commission on routes sold or bought. Only cost you $49.95 a month to join, and it's open. You know who you're dealing with, you know the names of the buyers you're selling to and the names of the sellers you're buying from. How to sign up? You can visit these two links to sign up to TelecomsXChange. It takes 24 hours to provision your account after it has been verified and approved. You can just click on or visit those URLs here in order to buy, to become a buyer or to become a seller. I hope you guys enjoyed this very quick presentation of how to get started with your VoIP wholesale business in 2017. If you need any consultancy, I provide 1 hour free VoIP consultancy. You can reach me by email, a.jamous@telecomsexchange.com, or via Twitter or at Skype ID TelecomsXChange. Thank you very much and have a great one.